Welcome to Polzeath Dornis. Sorry, we have been away for a while, but we are back now. Also check us out on TikTok. There was no surf on Saturday, the 15th, so we headed to Padstow and sent the drone up. We managed to capture a clear view from Hawker's Cove right around to Padstow, then completed the 360 degrees view. Hope you enjoy, with more to come. If you enjoy our content, then please like and subscribe. We don't make anything from it, but it lets us know you are there and motivates us to create more content. And please don't forget to check us out on TikTok.